Hi there, thanks for joining me here. Josie from Life at 50 and Beyond. I am going to be cooking tonight and I'll be using this Cosori pressure cooker. Actually, it's a multi-cooker that I received from Cosori. This is in collaboration with Cosori, and that's their website, cosori.com. And if you're interested, I will be linking them down below. And just want to let you know, this is a free product that I received, but I am not being paid to do this cooking segment, nor will I receive any compensation should you decide to purchase this product. I am not an affiliate, and I am not in a way, employed by them as well. So yeah, this is the first time I'm going to be using this product. I do have a pressure cooker. It was gifted to me by my daughter's fiance, and I love it. It's a KitchenAid. And I'm just going to give this a try. I want to see if there's another product out there that's probably more affordable for people to use. As you know me here on my channel, I try to give you all the other options to help you save money. So like I said, I'm going to be using this for the first time. So I'm just unboxing this, showing you that how I got the product. It's well packed. It came in a box, in an Amazon box. And it's also inside its own product box. It's a 6-quart pressure cooker. I believe it's also available in 8 quarts, 4 quarts, and I think there's even a 2 quart for those who are single. So it also came with a glass lid because you can use this as a rice cooker. You can actually use this to cook from start to finish. You can saute in here. I think there are other functionality here. You can even make yogurt on this one. So I'm pretty excited to try that out. However, because I do have a menu planned already, I think I mentioned here probably a couple of times on my channel that I do batch cooking and we do freezer meals. And I'm just showing you the things that came with the product. This one is an extra silicone that you can put on the lid so in case the other one goes bad. And there's this steamer rack here. And what I like about this Cosori product is that it came with an aluminum bowl or pot. Shiny, isn't it pretty? But anyway, I'm just gonna give it a shot and tell you how it goes. I would have preferred an 8-quart because I do batch cooking. I do a lot of cooking in the weekend so that I can just put them in a container, some in the refrigerator that we can eat all throughout the week, and then some I freezer them. I put them in the freezer so that we can eat them in future dates. But I was just comparing this size to our regular rice cooker. This is much bigger than our regular rice cooker. However, I'm still probably going to use our rice cooker because I just want to use this for mainly, probably for the most part, pressure cooking, because that's where I have the biggest trouble on. And again, you don't have to have a lot of gadgets, especially to those who are living in an apartment or tiny homes. This is just a one-pot system wherein you can cook and saute, boil, pressure cook. You even can slow cook in this. So yeah, and I don't want to sound to be too positive on this one, that like I'm advertising this product, but so far I'm liking what I see. And I'll let you know how it goes as I cook. Showing you the other accessories that it came with. This is a rice scooper. This one is for soup, anything with soup or stock. This is what you're using. You can also use your other cooking utensils for sure. And this is a measuring cup. It measures up to, I think, 160 ml or 1 cup. And this small plastic container here is for the runoff. The liquid that comes from the pressure cooking, it will be capturing or catching whatever is coming out of the steaming valve that would go into the rim. So anyway, as you can see, there's meat, white rice. Yeah, there are a lot of functionalities on this one. And you can find more information on the website. I don't want this to be too long. That's why I'm doing a voiceover now, because I've noticed that when I was unboxing it, it takes a long time and I was explaining everything in detail. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna be pressure cooking some beef. So we're putting some water here. So this is only 6 quart. I don't think it will fit all the meat.
It will fit. It looks like it.
Will it? Okay, the ones with bones, but we still have meat here, so that's not for... Oh, okay, so that's not all the... Because we have some beef ribs also to put in here, so we're probably going to do 2 load. Okay, so the water is close to the rim, maybe an inch. Okay, and then, let me just make sure that we have... Then he is going to be placing...
Yeah, it's right there.
Oh, like that is really loose.
Don't need that.
Okay, so we're just putting the lid.
And then we're gonna lock.
And then we're gonna lock. We don't turn it on yet because we're still gonna put this contraption to the back, kind of like the other pressure cooker we have. Let's show that. Okay, so we're gonna put this here. Okay, so he'll be inserting the receptacle, this one. Okay, so that's very easy, kind of like just connecting. Okay, so now make sure that it is closed tight. That's still open. So what I like about this one is it gives you a sound when you're opening it or closing it. So it's unclosed. There's this that it shows unlock, and then there's lock. So going this way is you unlock, going to the right is you lock. That's the way the arrow goes.
You have to make sure this one is here.
We have to make sure that this one is on top.
The whistling looking thing. The
Okay.
bulb.
The valve, the pressure bulb is on top. We're gonna be doing the meat. Let's do
30.
press cook time, and then it's going to be setting this to 20 minutes. Okay, and then press cook time again, I'm thinking. Okay.
And then on.
And then press the power on. Okay. It's gonna push it close to the sink because
you have to make sure it's like this. Keep it clear.
Okay, thanks, Papi. So making sure that there's enough clearance on top, not under the cabinet, because there will be some steam coming from the pressure cooker and you don't want to damage the cabinet. Okay, so we're just gonna wait for that. So it looks like it's doing something and it's kind of starting to do its own thing. And I will, okay, so it's now come back. And as you can see, it's steaming out. And now this red button, my husband read the instruction, the red button here should go up once it's done. Oh, it should go down.
It should go down.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's the opposite. It should go down when it's done. Oh, see, you could hear the sound kind of getting a little quieter. And let me show you this portion here at the back. There's not a whole lot that kind of came out. Okay, so one thing I would like to point out here is that, I don't know, let me just move my camera here. You could see here, going to the left is unlock, right? That's the padlock that's open, and going to the right is the padlock that's closed. That means it's to close. But look at this. To the left, you close the lid, and to the right, you open the lid. And it is really to the right to open the lid. So just want to let you guys know, it's minor detail, but of course, because you would know anyway if you go either direction what's happening. But I think it's just some kind of flaw that I think you can live with. I mean, I can. So now let's open this up. Now that it is down, to indicate this red button here is down, I will open it up. Here's the thing. And you can hear that sound. It's kind of telling you that you can go ahead and open it. And voila. There's the beef. Okay, so let's try if it's soft. So it's about, what we did is From 20 minutes, we actually added 10 more minutes. So we paused it for a bit and did the 30 minutes. And it's just the right softness. You can see it's kind of like falling off. And I don't want it too soft, because what we're going to do is I have another batch of meat, because the reason why I wanted an 8-quart, I have more meat. So I'm going to do 2 batches. So my first impression on this one, it is a good pressure cooker. I haven't tried or tested out the other functionalities, so I am going to have more cooking to do on this one, and I will keep you updated. I'll probably be filming the other ones. I think this one is not good for batch cooking, to be honest. I probably would need to use this plus my other pressure cooker so that I can cook more. And here's the big pot that I've been preparing so that I can cook all of my beef stock in. I wish that the pressure cooker is this big, so even if I received an 8-quart versus the 6 quarts, I don't think all the meat would fit in the 8 quarts as well. But just an info for you, if you like to do batch cooking, weekly cooking, you might want to consider that this isn't for huge amount of cooking. It is something for your meal for the day. Now this is the finished product. Actually, I didn't show you the process video on how to make this sinigang yum. This is a sour soup that we eat. This is a Filipino dish, and if you want to learn how to make this, please let me know. I'm going to be showing you how if you want me to. I know there are some Filipino viewers here who are subscribed to my channel, so I'm hoping you'll enjoy it too. So my overall impression, I'll give it a thumbs up still, because I think it did the purpose that I wanted it to. No way did it promise that it's going to be good for batch cooking. So I think that as a pressure cooker, for now, I am giving it a thumbs up. And I'm not pushing for this product. I'm just giving you my first impression. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with somebody who may be interested in this. I think they may be having a sale right now. I think the price on this one is $79.99 on Amazon. If you have Prime, it's free shipping. And I think today they will have a $59.99 sale. Again, just to repeat my disclaimer, I just received this Cosori for review in partnership or collaboration with the brand Cosori. I am not being paid. I'm not going to be receiving any monetary compensation should you decide to purchase this product. And yeah, so I just hope you have a good day, and I hope that I was able to share with you something that could save you some money. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.